channel, where today I will be showing you how to make pumpkin puree in a quick few steps. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 and then line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Once you get all that cut, you just scoop out the seeds, which you might want to dry and save so you can make your own next year. It was that hard to find this year that I will definitely be growing my own next year. Probably gonna get your hands dirty on this one. Much quicker process. Okay, once it's all cleaned out, you just pop that just like that, this side down, and place it right in your 400-degree oven. See you back. Okay, you all, this came out of the oven, so you want to turn it over and just scoop all of that goodness into a, well, you know, I'm going to put this in the processor. Go ahead and scoop it in your food processor to save a bowl, unlike me. Kind of wasn't too smart about that one, but what can I say? Alright, just scoop all of it right into your food processor. Okay, once you get all that scooped in, you want to turn your food processor on the puree mix. Now we have pumpkin puree. No more running to the stores and not being able to find it. We just made our own. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you like this video, hit like. If you haven't subscribed to my videos already and would like to see more of my videos, please hit subscribe and share me out to all your friends. Thank you all. Have a good night.